What a party, bro. What a night. Spanish people, you know how to party.
It was so worth it, and my voice is completely gone yet again. That just made parties in Belgium so...
lame. Lame.
It's sad.
It's 3:15. Bilice did nothing. You know, that's why we have been very productive. I edited the video, made a lot of invoices for my clients as well. I talked to my modeling agent, booking jobs. So yeah, that took like 3 hours. I'm very tired. I'm mentally tired. So the weather, I love this. Like, look at this skin is glowing. And right now, I'm just going to take a nap. Good morning. It's 9:30 in the morning. We need to hit the gym. I have 2 competitions this month. As an athlete, you don't have time to rest until the season is over. But even though I'm on holiday right now in another country, I still need to work out. Let's get this bread. I just realized something. There's a camera right there. Pure entertainment for them. I hate core exercise. Dory! Oh, look at the lips. Boy!
We've seen so many animals. It's so much fun, but it's also really overwhelming because this park is way larger than we thought. And this dude decided, I'm gonna take a nap.
What if you close your eyes?
Animals are caregivers moving.
So wait, this girl made me wait 2 hours just for a show. Nah, I'm disappointed. After this, no, I'm not listening to you. Let's go to the Science Museum. I'm leaving her behind. I don't care anymore.
Entrar al Museo de las Ciencias.
Oh.
Are you really dancing to the beat of your heart?
Yes.
Okay, my name is Lorenzo.
Yeah.
Their name's Felicia.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice to meet you guys.
Well, hi to Italy.
Bye-bye. See you guys. We hyped. I don't want to do this workout because I know I'm gonna struggle. Even though I had nearly 10,000 steps today. I'm so tired. I don't feel like running. I am not gonna record. I'm gonna record after. Bro. Yo. They say athletics is easy. It's a lie. I'm dead. That was a good workout. I loved it. I loved it.
Are you okay? He's dead.
Good morning. No, this morning I felt so sick. I feel like there's a cold coming. I took curcuma, yang ibre. I'll give you all. The last day at the beach, you know, we're just gonna swim and just enjoy our last day.